How's it going, ladies and gents? This is Jeff with iDownload Blog. As you probably have already heard, iOS 7 Beta 2 is available for all devices, including the iPad. And you can see here I'm running my iPad mini with iOS 7 installed. It looks pretty much like you would expect it to look. Very familiar. If you've ever used iOS 7 or if you've ever seen iOS 7, you know pretty much what to expect here with the iPad version. Obviously, there are some subtle differences. For instance, you have Photo Booth on the iPad, which you don't have on the iPhone and iPod Touch. The app switching is pretty much the same as it is. It's actually kind of disappointing because you still can't view more than 3 apps in the app switcher, which is disappointing considering you have more real estate. Notice Notification Center, though, is taking up the entire screen, which is nice to see. And then you also have the Control Center, which takes up the entire bottom half of the screen, or bottom quarter of the screen, I guess you should say. And it's obviously a little bit different than what you have on the smaller screens. No calculator shortcut, obviously, because there is no calculator app stock on the iPad. So now let's go ahead and check out the iPad's lock screen on iOS 7. Lock our device. There we go. And of course, you could still bring up Control Center, Notification Center, all that jazz. Now you're probably wondering to yourself, what does landscape mode look like on iOS 7 on the iPad? I'm going to show you that right now. So let's transition on over to our landscape mode. There we go. You have the app switcher there. Now notice the app switcher, the apps themselves aren't automatically oriented. You actually have to open them up in the view that you want to view within the app switcher for them to be shown that way in the app switcher, as you can see there. So it's a little awkward. I don't know. Hopefully the snapshots will be automatically oriented with the next version of iOS 7 beta, but we'll see how that works out. As it stands, this is a very high-level overview of iOS 7. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. This is Jeff with iDownload Blog.